If you're wondering how to use your Crunchyroll community forum in 2026, then let's get straight into the video. So Crunchyroll officially shut down its legacy community forums and episode comment sections to centralize their community. Instead of the old website forums, now you can interact with massive global fan base, get episode updates, or discuss anime by engaging with the active r/Crunchyroll community on Reddit. Simply go ahead and open your Reddit application and simply go to the search bar right over here. And what you want to do is simply go ahead and search for Crunchyroll community, and simply go ahead and click on search, which is going to go ahead and find the r/Crunchyroll right over here, where you can simply go ahead and participate in a lot of different anime talks. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.